2025 Honda Civic Hybrid. A familiar face goes green. Hey everyone, today we're diving into the all-new 2025 Honda Civic Hybrid. Replacing the outgoing Insight, this hybrid variant joins the popular Civic lineup, offering impressive fuel economy without sacrificing the Civic's well-loved personality. Classic Civic with a hybrid twist. The 2025 Civic Hybrid retains the sleek design and engaging driving dynamics of the standard Civic. It comes in both sedan and hatchback styles, giving you more flexibility. Hybrid-specific features include unique suspension tuning and extra noise reduction for a comfortable ride. Inside, the Civic Hybrid boasts a refined cabin with a new gray color scheme. Standard front USB-C ports keep your devices charged, and higher trims offer the enticing Google built-in infotainment system. A 2.0-liter engine, paired with two electric motors, delivers 200 horsepower and promises an impressive combined fuel economy of 50 mpg. The Honda Sensing suite of driver assistance features, including automatic emergency braking and lane departure warning, comes standard, ensuring a secure driving experience. The Civic Hybrid comes in Sport and Sport Touring trims for both sedan and hatchback styles. The Sport Touring adds a larger touchscreen, wireless phone charging, and a premium audio system. The 2025 Honda Civic Hybrid builds upon the Civic's strong foundation, offering excellent fuel economy and a familiar driving experience. With a choice of body styles and trim levels, it caters to a wider audience seeking an efficient and practical everyday car. Stay tuned for further updates as we get closer to its release.